I've worked from home on and off for more than 20 years, and so I thought it would be a good idea to put together some strategies to help you work effectively from home, because it can take a bit of effort. Now, there could be all sorts of reasons why you're going to be working from home. I mean, maybe it's just for the odd half day here and there so that you can sign for a delivery or something and you don't want to use up a precious day of paid leave. Or maybe it's for a few weeks. Perhaps you can't get into the office because you've broken your leg. Or maybe the office is closed for a week or two for refurbishment. Or, and I had to put this on the list because this is what's happening right now as I record these videos, maybe you're working from home because of the coronavirus. Or maybe working from home is actually your new normal. Perhaps you've got a new job which is based at home, or perhaps your company has had a change of policy or something. But whatever your scenario, we're going to make sure that you can work effectively from home. It's also going to make a bit of difference whether you are the only team member working from home. If this is the case, then you're going to have to work extra hard to be proactive with your communications so you don't fall off the radar. Whereas if everybody is remote, then actually I think it's a bit easier because we're all in the same boat. And just to give you some context here, my situation with CBT Nuggets is kind of a combination of the two. All of the trainers work from home, so my very immediate team members are just the same as me. But our manager and a bunch of other people that we work with day to day are all based at HQ in Oregon. So anyway, lots of possible scenarios there for working from home. And as I already said, whatever your scenario, we're going to make sure that you can work effectively from home because it does take a bit of effort to find out what works for you and for your job role. And so in this series of videos, we'll look at making sure you've got the right environment at home for working. We'll see the importance of planning your day and how the tools we've got available these days makes it more than possible to collaborate remotely. We'll also tackle the very real possibility of getting lonely when working from home. And then, rather excitingly, my manager, Danielle, will take us through the challenges of managing a remote team. So we'll hear from her later. And then, of course, we will review what we've learned. Are you ready? Let's get started.